Introducing QTalk cue cards. The heart and soul of Maurice Hazan's QTalk method is this remarkable and remarkably simple vocabulary delivery system. If you've ever used flashcards in your classroom, you're already a QTalk teacher. We've simply expanded and systemized the use of visuals for you. Cue cards provide images for every part of speech, not just the nouns and simple adjectives flashcards traditionally service, but also tough-to-recall concepts like adverbs, conjunctions, and most significantly, verbs. The cue card verb images allow your students to go from simply memorizing vocabulary to communicating in complete sentences. Even the youngest of students can make a sentence like, I go to the beach on Saturday with my friend in the morning, from the very first lesson. Most cue cards are completely intuitive, requiring little or no explanation whatsoever. What do you think this sentence says? I see a dog. How about this one? He likes eggs. Or, you go to the park. The words are written in the target language on the bottom of each card in print small enough so that only the teacher can see. And all nouns are color-coded with a pink or blue background to denote masculine versus feminine article use. Our QTalk book series and higher-level supplemental products all provide complete guides for vocabulary introduction and practice. Your teacher manual includes dozens of exercise ideas. Learning subject pronouns, basic conjugating, object-adjective agreement, possession, verb plus verb sentences, reflexive verbs, and many more. You'll love the time and energy your cue cards will save you, and your students will love the instant gratification of speaking immediately. The digital version of this product is also available.